In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send videos on Facebook Messenger. We'll walk through the process on both mobile, Android, and iPhone, and on a computer using Messenger.com. I'll keep it simple, add helpful context, and make sure you feel confident sending your video where it needs to go. Let's start on mobile. Open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. From your chat list, open the conversation where you want to share the video. You'll see the message box at the bottom. Right next to it, tap the photo or gallery icon. This opens your phone's media picker so you can browse your camera roll. Find the video you want to send and select it. If you prefer to capture something new on the spot, tap Camera to record a fresh clip, then confirm that you're happy with the recording. Before you send, it's a good idea to preview the video so you know you've picked the right one. When you're ready, tap Send. Depending on the length and quality of your video and your internet connection, the upload might take a moment. If you're on mobile data, remember that large videos can use a lot of bandwidth, so Wi-Fi is usually the best choice. Messenger may compress longer videos to help them send faster, which is normal, and the recipient will be able to play the clip directly in the chat once it finishes uploading. Now let's switch to a computer using Messenger.com. Open your browser, go to the Messenger website, and open the conversation where you want to share your video. Look near the message field for the photo icon. It looks like a small image symbol. Click that icon to open your computer's file picker. Navigate to the folder where your video is saved, click the file to select it, and then choose Open. You'll see the video appear in the message field, ready to go. Click Send to upload and deliver it. Just like on mobile, the upload time will depend on your connection and the size of the file. Keep the browser tab open until you see that the message has been delivered. A couple of quick tips as you go. If your video is especially long or very high resolution, give it extra time to process. Make sure your device has enough storage to handle any temporary files during upload, and double-check that the video plays correctly after it's sent. That's all there is to it. Whether you're on your phone or on your computer, you can confidently send videos on Facebook Messenger in just a few taps or clicks.